Hey guys, in this video, we're going to dive deep into the top 5 best PS5 wall mounts available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for something sleek, feature-packed, or budget-friendly, we've got you covered. All the links to the products will be in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Now let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the ZHSX wall mount for PS5 models. This mount offers adjustable length and width, making it a flexible option for gamers with various setups. It's compatible with the PS5, PS5 Pro, and PS5 Slim Disc versions, so no matter which console you have, this mount has you covered. It can hold not just your console, but also 2 controllers and even headphones, making it an all-in-one storage solution. The design is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and stability. However, its build feels a bit basic compared to some of the other models on this list. While it does get the job done, it lacks advanced features like cooling fans or charging stations. The installation process is straightforward, but the lack of detailed instructions might leave some users scratching their heads. On the performance side, the ZHSX mount does an adequate job of holding your console securely, but it doesn't offer much else in terms of functionality. With a 3.8-star rating, users have pointed out that its adjustability is a plus, but some have concerns about its overall sturdiness. This product is ideal for budget-conscious gamers who want a simple and adjustable solution for mounting their PS5. Pros include its compatibility and adjustability, while cons include a lack of extra features and a somewhat flimsy feel. At number 4, we have the Hassenwell PS5 wall mount kit. This mount is more than just a holder. It's a multifunctional station that combines charging capabilities with a touch of style, thanks to its customizable RGB lighting. It's compatible with all PS5 versions, including the Slim and Pro, and supports both disc and digital editions. The RGB lights offer 7 single color modes and 6 dynamic modes, allowing you to personalize your gaming setup. The design is made of heavy-duty iron, ensuring a secure hold for your console. The hollow structure aligns with the PS5's cooling vents, promoting optimal heat dissipation. Plus, it has a dual-use charging station that can fully charge 2 controllers in just 2.5 hours, with clear LED indicators to show the charging status. Installation is flexible. You can mount it on the wall or place it on a desk, depending on your preference. While the Hassenwell mount offers great functionality, it does come at a cost. It's heavier and bulkier than some competitors, which might not appeal to everyone. With a 4.6-star rating, users appreciate its charging speed and RGB aesthetics, but note that the installation process isn't as intuitive as they'd like. This mount is perfect for gamers who want to integrate charging and a touch of flair into their setup. Pros include fast charging and RGB customization. Cons include its bulkier size and less user-friendly setup. Taking the 3rd spot is the Vivo steel wall mount bracket, a sleek and professional option for mounting your PS5. Designed specifically for the PS5 disc, digital, and slim models, this mount emphasizes simplicity and functionality. One of its standout features is the open design, which ensures proper airflow and cooling for your console. It also includes mounts for 2 controllers, keeping your gaming area tidy and organized. The build quality is excellent, with a strong steel construction that ensures durability and a secure fit. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included for both wood studs and drywall. The mount sits flush against the wall, giving your setup a clean and minimalist look. However, it's worth noting that this mount isn't compatible with the PS5 Pro, which might be a drawback for some users. With a 4.8-star rating, the Vivo mount is highly praised for its sturdy build and ease of use. It's ideal for gamers who want a no-frills, durable mount to keep their console safe and accessible. Pros include its strong construction and open design for cooling, while cons are its lack of compatibility with the PS5 Pro and absence of extra features like charging or storage for headsets. In the runner-up spot, we have the Cluck PS5 wall mount kit. This is a feature-packed option that goes beyond just holding your console. It includes a cooling fan, dual controller charger, headset holder, and even an additional USB port. Compatible with all PS5 models, including the Slim and Pro, this mount is designed for gamers who want an all-in-one solution. The Cluck mount features 2 silent cooling fans with adjustable speeds, ensuring your console stays cool even during extended gaming sessions. The dual controller charger is efficient, fully charging 2 controllers in just 2.5 hours. LED indicators make it easy to monitor charging progress. The mount itself is made of high-quality stainless steel, providing durability and stability. Installation is simple and streamlined thanks to its integrated design. With a 4.4-star rating, the Cluck mount is praised for its versatility and cooling performance. However, some users note that the fans can be slightly noisy on higher settings. This mount is perfect for gamers who want a comprehensive package that combines cooling, charging, and storage. Pros include its multifunctionality and efficient cooling, while cons are the slightly noisy fans and higher price point. Finally, taking the top spot is the totalmount wall mount for all PS5 models. This mount is a premium option designed for durability, convenience, and compatibility with all PS5 models, including the Slim, Pro, and original versions. What sets it apart is its thoughtful design. It includes space for 2 controllers and features dampers to reduce fan noise during gaming sessions. The totalmount is made by a trusted brand with a long history of quality and over 90 patents. The installation process is incredibly user-friendly, thanks to the built-in level and drill-free option. The plastic housing is metal-free, which eliminates any risk of interference with the PS5's Wi-Fi antenna. Additionally, the mount includes a heavy-duty locking screw to ensure your console stays secure. With a 4.8-star rating and thousands of positive reviews, this mount is a favorite among gamers. Its premium build quality, ease of installation, and thoughtful features make it a top choice for anyone looking to mount their PS5. Pros include its compatibility, noise-reducing design, and user-friendly installation. The only downside is that it doesn't include extras like cooling fans or RGB lighting. But if you're looking for reliability and simplicity, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect PS5 wall mount for your setup. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Got questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.